Hello learners, a very good news to all of you. HPCL latest vacancies. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Recently, yesterday only, one notification is released. Huge number of vacancies for all branches of engineering. And it is not through GATE. HPCL is going to conduct a separate exam for it. Not at all related through GATE. You have to put a separate application and you have to write a separate exam. Through that, engineering vacancies are there through HPCL. Before going to start, as usual, there is extra benefit, extra subscription offer, Freedom Week, because of Independence Day offer. We are launching new batches and also new offers. 18 months subscription, 3 months benefit, 9 months subscription, 2 months benefit, 6 months subscription, 1 month benefit. And all these offers applicable for Iconic subscription also. Use our universal code KPCIVIL. New batches are going to launch from August 30th. I'm going to start engineering hydrology for GATE and ESC. And the learners who are willing to study from KP sir and RP sir, we both along with Amit sir going to finish entire syllabus for SSC JE State AE exam. Exclusive goal, English goal. You just click on SSC JE and State AE exams English goal. You take the subscription. You can crack your dream job. And we are launching this from August 15 as an Independence Day special. And already I have started environmental engineering. Amit sir started RCC. So, new batch is starting with the GA part of SSC JE. So, do join as early as possible. So, coming to HPCL notification. HPCL invites talented and motivated candidates, very clearly written, looking for exciting career opportunities in any energy sector. So, now vacancies through online portal. Vacancies through online portal. Commencement date of application 18th August 2023. Last date 18th September. Yesterday only released. Next 1 month time is there for online application. So there are vacancies of mechanical engineering 57, electrical 16, instrumentation 36, civil 18, chemical 43. And along with this, additional posts are there with for 3 years experience, 10 section officer, 2 section officer. And now civil engineering students feeling like, are only 18 posts are, every student feel like you, only 18 posts are there. So they are not that much serious. They may apply, they may not apply. Even after application also people are not interested to write the exam. But remember, if you are preparing for GATE or ESC, if you are preparing for State AE, AEE, SSC JE, just consider this is one of the additional opportunity you are having. Go ahead, apply for the post. Maybe your luck, maybe your dream fulfilled with HPCL. Because you have finished the entire syllabus. You are ready to give GATE examination. You are working hard since 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years. Concepts are same. Subject is same. Only model of questions are varying. So many times I told this to you. You target one exam. In the path of that one exam, whatever the other notifications came, write each and every exam, whatever coming in the path. So take this as one of the opportunity, testing opportunity for you. Work for it, crack the dream job. So don't worry, only 18 jobs are there. 18 jobs for maximum is 25 years, 12 jobs for maximum is 28 years. So you can apply with a civil engineering post and also you can apply senior officer, city gas distribution, maintenance operation. But you need a 3 years experience for this post. 3 years experience, those who are working professionals, for them it is helpful. What is pay scale? Pay scale clearly written for civil engineer 50,000 to 1,60,000. 50,000 to 1,60,000. So here vacancies are provided. In this vacancies 50,000 to 1,60,000. In total vacancies of all branches included, SC 29, SC 16, ST 16, OBC and C 61, EWS 21, unreserved 88. Because this is our package, 50,000 to 1,60,000 is our package for mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical engineering students. Then maximum age limit is a 5 years relaxation for SC/ST, 5-year relaxation for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC and C, 10 years for PWBD, and the maximum age limit relaxed by 5 years for candidates from Jammu and Kashmir born between 1980 to 1989. Okay guys, so you must finish your engineering degree. Already you must carry your certificate with you. Engineering खत्म होना चाहिए बेटा, पक्का engineering खत्म होना चाहिए. Now for 50,000 to 1,60,000 pay scale for us, this is our pay scale, no? Civil engineering. So CTC 16.98, approximately 17 lakh. Cost to company CTC 17 lakhs CTC with the lowest minimum base level pay grade, includes base pay, retirement benefits, DA, HRA all included, 17 lakhs approximately. So after all cuttings, take home maybe 1 lakh easily you can get per month. So the best CTC it is going to provide. Work hard guys, don't worry about number of vacancies. If you are talented, if you are already working hard, easily you can crack the job. The selected officers will be probation for 1 year from the date of joining. Upon successful completion of probation period, you are confirmed as per company policy. Please do understand. So first 6 months while paying, they retain 5,000 rupees. Once probation period completed, they will get back to the remaining amount, they will be get back to you, refunded to you once your order confirmation. Then civil engineering jobs can be applied only by civil students. No other branch of engineering student can't apply. Civil students can apply civil only, mechanical and mechanical production, electrical, electronics and electronics, instrumentation, control, electronics and instrumentation and electronics, chemical, petrochemical, petroleum refining, any branch, petrochemical, petroleum refining, no problem. This is the most important. Kaisa select karega re babu? How you are going to be selected? What is the mode of exam? The selection process would comprise various shortlisting and selection tools. First one, computer based test, CBT. Second one, group task. Third one, personal interview. Total 3 stages will be there. CBT, group task and personal interview. All candidates claiming to fulfill eligibility criteria called for CBT. Based on your application, your first stage is computer based test, which consists of objective questions, very clear. Computer based test of objective question. First position, general aptitude. English language, quantitative aptitude, intellectual potential means logical reasoning, data interpretation. Then technical and professional knowledge, civil, core technical civil engineering syllabus, technical and professional knowledge. So it is purely based on merit list from the CBT. Then you are going to select for group task. After group task, CBT, then you are called up for personal interview. Then in each stage in CBT, in group task and in personal interview, those who are getting minimum qualifying marks, they prepare the merit list. Based on merit list, based on the all group task, computer based test, personal interview, everywhere, final appointment will be decided. And what is syllabus? Syllabus yet to release. If anything new will come other than our regular syllabus, regular portion, I will make another video because syllabus is not at all done. What is the mode of exam, pattern of exam, not at all given. Before your examination, CBT test, when application is completed, HPCL will release it. I will make a separate video once HPCL released it. So guys, gear up your preparation. This many job opportunities, so many times I told you, 23, 24 golden years of job opportunity for civil engineering students. Maybe here 18 posts only. Like that 10 PSUs, 18 into 10, 180. Like that number of posts will be go on increasing. So please do understand, already SSC JEE 1300 posts. Your state exams also yet to come. So don't demotivate and deviate at this point of time. In 6 months you are going to become a government job holder. So don't go back to another activities. Pull yourself towards again preparation. 18th August 2023 already started application. 18th September 2023 is the last date. Go to hindustanpetroleum.com, careers and current openings. Then you can get application and apply for it. So application fees is 1000 rupees plus 180 rupees as GST. Any additional payment gateway charges. SC, ST, PWBD are exempted from payment of application fees. Remaining all students must pay the fees. Okay guys. So your preparation not going into vain. Your preparation not going to be wasted. This many exams, October SSC JEE, then mains, SSC JEE mains in December, February GATE examination, then followed by ESC examination, in between HPCL will come, and other job opportunities notifications also will come, your state exams also yet to come. So don't go back into any other. Focus on your preparation. Work hard. We are with you always to support you. And join our Telegram channel KPSR students. If any of your friends, juniors, whoever want to enter into competitive coaching preparation, refer your beloved KPSR and our universal code KPC. Let's crack it.